617 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, and it's an SUV. Let that sink in for a moment, because the 2026 BMW X6 M Competition doesn't just bend the rules of physics, it laughs at them. This is not just a car, this is a declaration, a rolling statement that you refuse to choose between raw, savage performance and the kind of luxury that wraps around you like a tailored suit. BMW has been mastering this formula longer than anyone in the segment, and in 2026, they've refined it to a razor's edge. Let's start with what you see first, because the X6 M Competition hits differently before you even hear it. That sweeping fastback roofline, cutting from a long, aggressive hood all the way down to a tapered rear, is unmistakably provocative. This is not a box on wheels, this is sculpture. The widened front fascia wears an M-specific blacked-out kidney grille flanked by adaptive LED that slice through the night like twin laser blades. And yes, laser light technology is available, because of course it is. Up close, the details get even more cinematic. The enlarged air intakes at the front look like they mean business, because they do. Standard 21-inch bicolor M wheels fill those widened fenders with an almost theatrical presence, and you can step up to 22-inch staggered sets if you want to turn every parking lot into a runway. Out back, 4 exhaust outlets sit wide apart, framed by an aggressive diffuser, and if you check the optional M carbon exterior package, you get carbon fiber mirror caps, a rear spoiler, and a diffuser that make the whole thing look like it escaped from a motorsport lab. Available finishes include some truly bold choices, frozen colors, dark metallics, and high-gloss options that make the body panels look like liquid metal in sunlight. Now let's talk about what happens when you start it. That 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, the S68, fires up with a sound that is absolutely, deeply, unashamedly dramatic, low and thunderous at idle, sharp and violent under hard acceleration. BMW engineered a crossbank exhaust manifold to minimize turbo lag and maximize throttle response, and you feel it the moment your right foot gets serious. The result is 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, managed by an 8-speed M transmission with carbon shift paddles on the steering wheel. Add in rear-biased M xDrive all-wheel drive, an active M differential, an adaptive M suspension professional, and this 5,375-pound SUV handles with a precision that genuinely defies its size and weight. At Edmunds test track, it ran -60 in a blistering 3.5 seconds and cleared the quarter-mile in 11.8. For reference, that's territory. A 48-volt mild hybrid system sits quietly under all that muscle, sharpening throttle calibration and recovering energy on the overrun. This is not an EV. It is not trying to be. But that mild hybrid integration makes the power delivery feel even more surgical, instant, relentless, and completely addictive. Step inside and the drama continues. The cabin of the X6 M Competition is in purposeful luxury. The curved display sweeping across the dashboard integrates a 14.9-inch central alongside a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster running BMW's iDrive 8.5, and in 2026, software response times are noticeably quicker. M Sport seats with deep side bolstering and merino leather hug you in place, while M1 and M2 buttons on the steering wheel let you recall your saved performance configurations in an instant. Launch control, drift analyzer, drive mode customization so detailed it borders on obsessive. This car wants to perform, and it gives you every tool to control exactly how. The optional executive package, priced at around $3,100, is worth every cent if you're spending this kind of money. Soft close doors, a larger LED-lit moonroof, massaging and ventilated front seats, heated and cooled cup holders, rear window shades. These are the details that turn a performance machine into a genuine all-day companion. Throw in the available Bowers and Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, and the interior acoustic experience matches everything happening under that hood. The standard head-up display keeps critical performance data right in your, and a 360-degree camera system plus self-parking make the 195-inch length feel entirely manageable in tight spaces. Safety covered, frontal collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning come standard. The optional driving assistance professional package adds traffic jam assistant and semi-autonomous driving aids for those moments when you'd rather sit back in those massaging seats and let the X6 do the thinking. Now, where does the 2026 X6 M Competition sit in the wider world? At a starting price of around $134,600 to $136,100 depending on configuration, it is firmly in six-figure performance SUV territory, and that's exactly where it belongs. Its natural rivals are the Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S Coupe, the Cayenne Turbo GT, and the Martin DBX 707 cars that cost similar or significantly more. Against those machines, the X6 M Competition holds its own completely. You're not buying a Tesla Model X here. You're not chasing electric range charts or software subscription tiers. You're buying decades of M Division mastery, a proper internal combustion soundtrack, and a driving experience that no EV has replicated yet at this level of analog brutality. Yes, the ride quality on rough roads is firm. Yes, rear headroom is in the X5M thanks to that iconic roofline. And yes, you'll see around 13 miles per gallon in the city. But none of that matters when you're pressing M2, selecting track mode and planting your foot. Because in that moment, there is nothing quite like this. Here's the verdict. The 2026 BMW X6 M Competition is not the most practical SUV at this price. It is not the most efficient. It is not trying to be the future. It is unapologetically, gloriously, brutally the best version of what a performance SUV can feel like right now. It is loud where it should be loud, precise where it needs to be precise, and luxurious in every detail that matters. This is what happens when engineers stop making compromises. This is next-gen motors, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for?